Hey everybody, this is Matt with the Chaser from Kingman Training. It's their new pistol. We've got 2 magazines. Each mag holds 9 of the small 11mm paintballs in it. We're going to go ahead and shoot through one magazine kind of slow, and then the next magazine we'll shoot through fast. We have a target right down here. We'll go ahead and put the first mag in, shoot a couple, we'll zoom in, and then we'll shoot the rest. Then we'll do the next mag.
Alright, there we go. Out.
All out. That is the Kingman Training Chaser, available at ansgear.com.